Alright guys, welcome back. So this is another case study of this playlist. So where we basically see some of the sites, and then basically I teach you guys that how you can replicate these sites, which is easy to replicate, easy to copy. So in this video we will going to see a l birds, all birds. You can say all birds species.com. So this is basically pet and animal niche. So what I'm gonna do is, first we need to look up at the site. So let me ignore this. Let me come up on the site, and here you can see we have this site allbirdspecies.com, and this is all about the birds, information about birds identification, type of birds, birds guide, birds by state, bird symbolism. So you can see, scroll down and check out the content, and just check what type of content that they are producing. Either it is informational content, either it is commercial content, navigational content, or transactional content. So I think this site is more about informational content. Here you can see type of birds. The lookup of the site is very amazing. Like, the theme is very good, and somebody just created this, I guess, using AI. And if I just click on, let's say, let's just open this article and see what their Oriental Sky Lake bird name. So this is awareness. I think this is the informational content and awareness about the birds. Like, this bird name is Oriental Sky Lake, and we have table of content, appearance, size. Yeah, more about information. And the best thing is, this site is new, and it is also monetized with Mediavine, which is an advertising platform. And you can see ads are running here, showing up here. And so behind the site, this is the person, John William. I think this is a very amazing site that shows. Let me just, so what you need is, when you just look up at this site, and when you just find some of a site like this, where you think that you can copy or replicate this site, what you need is, you need to copy the site, and then just come up on SEMrush. And here you can see we have a good we have a premium SEMrush. You can buy it from directly from the site, or directly from third party sellers. Let me see why this is not working. I think I need to see. I need to use this one because it might work. So what you need is, you need to buy the premium version of SEMrush, and then put the site link in the domain overview and click on search. So it will going to give you all of the data regarding the site. What is the site authority, organic traffic, paid traffic, referral domains. So you can see, the site is very the authority is very low, which is something you can replicate. That's why I just uh, bring these type of sites that are easy to replicate and are new. Also, if you just look up at the referring domains, which is 129, and backlink 679, scroll down and then see how much the traffic growth is. So the traffic is quite good. Like, some of the keywords are ranking, and some of the keywords are showing up on different pages, like from page 1 to top 3, 4 to 15, 11 to 20. So this is the information. Scroll down, top organic keywords 3910. I mean, good amount of content that they are producing. Here you can see the most of the content is informational, and commercial is 1.5, but the 90%, 99.96%, 96% content is informational. And so what we need to do right now is we need to come up on the organic keywords and see what type of what keywords that they are targeting, and how from where from which keyword they are ranking, they're getting ranking. So copy all of those keywords and then export to PDF. So the this is the strategy that you should be working on when you're starting out, and when you want to replicate the site like this. Keywords 3.9k. Here you can see the list of keywords and the position as well. Position 21 to traffic is 8. So what we need is we need to reset the filters from, like, let's say I would want keywords which are ranking in top 10. I think again we need to see. So all you need is to just play with these filters. That's how you find some of the good keywords. Like, maybe if I just find from 4 to 10. 11 to 20. So these are the keywords. I think these are the three keywords which are ranking in position 15, 19, 13. But we need to see more. Let's see, from position 21 to 50, how many keywords are ranking of this site. So that's how you basically research. So 284 keywords are ranking on position between 21 to 50, and I think this is quite a bit good list. So this is how you should be finding some of the keywords and then start working and putting content on your site. So first, if you're starting out, just produce content as much as you can, and then when you just see a little bit of, like, the traffic interaction, or the if Google come up on your Google crawlers come up on your site and index some of the pages and get you ranking. That's how you see some of the traffic. And then when you just see some of the traffic, what you need is you need to come up on the backlinks, because backlinks are something which is very important when it comes to building a brand new website, or a branded website. uh, Backlink gap, keyword gaps. You can also see this site backlinks using again using this tool. So everything is on your everything is on is in here, like backlink gaps, find prospect. So first what you need is to again go back and see some of the competitors. Here you can see we have option of competitors. So click on competitors and find 2 3 competitors that that are working on the same niche. Like here you can see bird birdid.no, backyardfarmlife.com, the geek homehistory.com is this is not relevant. allbirdspecies.com. I think these are the two competitors. We have a lot of competitors, like 38 competitors, but you need to find relevant competitors, like 269 keywords, common keywords. These are the huge sites, like these one, like 808.8 million SE keywords, 612. So you don't need to look up at this. What you need is you need to find relevant sites. Like I think these are the two sites that are. So find the sites and then come up on the here on keyword gap analysis, and then put the site link in here and see the backlinks, and then just start pitching your offer to the sites that, and offer guest posting or offer some of the value first, and then you ask for link. You don't need to ask for link like right away that we are this site and we need link. You need to just give them the value first, and then you need to ask for the link. So here you can see referring domains 1 to 100. Again, from here you can set the filters and just look up that what are the relevant sites that you can get link from, and then what you need is you need to pitch the each of these sites owners that and ask them about the link exchange or the guest post or any value that you just that you would want to give. I think that's pretty much pretty much it for this video, and we will come up, sorry, I'm not on the, we will come up on the, I think that's pretty much it for this, and I'll see you in the next video where we will going to see another case study of blogging and how you can build blogs like this and monetize them with some of the platforms like Mediawine, AdThrive, Ezoic, or even Google AdSense as well. So I think that's pretty much it for this. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments and I will try to answer every question, and see you in the next video.